Have you ever thought of making your own chocolate at home? Trust us, it's easier than you might think. We recently had an amazing trip to Switzerland where we got hands-on experience making chocolate. Known for their incredible dairy and mouth-watering chocolate, we found it tough to pick a favorite. But let's be real, our sweet cravings took the lead and we dove right into the chocolate making adventure. Here's how you can make your own chocolate at home in just 5 simple steps. Temper the chocolate. This step is crucial to prevent the chocolate from splitting. Start by gently melting the chocolate, giving it a good mix, and then bringing the temperature down from 50 degrees Celsius to around 20 degrees Celsius. Keep repeating this until you have enough melted chocolate. Mix until it becomes glossy and shiny. Trust us, it's worth the wait. Check the texture. When you lift the spatula from the bowl, the chocolate should flow back in like a smooth stream. If it breaks or doesn't flow well, just keep mixing. Those little bubbles, that's a good sign. It means you're adding air into the mix. Check the temperature. Make sure the chocolate doesn't feel warm to the touch. That's your cue that it's ready to go. Transfer to molds. Grab a piping bag and scrape the chocolate into it for an easy pour into your molds. Decorate and set. Get creative. Use chocolate transfers, drizzle some white chocolate or toss in nuts and dry fruits for decoration. Let it set and then it's time to enjoy. There you have it. Simple, right? Now you're all set to impress your friends with your homemade chocolate. For more food content, follow NDTV Food.